Let us solve a question on how to find out the equilibrium level of consumption. The question is, consider the following information. Consumption, that is C is equal to 250 plus 0.25 Y subscript D, where Y subscript D denotes the disposable income. Autonomous investment, that is I naught, is equal to 100, and government spending, which is autonomous here also, which is equal to 50. Also income tax rate, that is small t, is being given as 20%. We are supposed to find out the equilibrium level of consumption. Okay, so first thing we know when we solve this question, we know that our total national income will be equal to the consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government spending. Okay, that means y will be equal to, so consumption function is being given as 250 plus 0.25 y subscript d. So we write the given consumption function. So this consumption function, we have written it here. After that, investment is autonomous, that we write it here, which is 100, and government expenditure is 50. Then so we have, when we add 250, 100 and 50, it sums out to be 400. Then we have 0.25. Now y subscript d, that is the disposable income, is equal to total income minus the taxes that are being paid on that very income. So y subscript d is equal to y minus ty. So in place of y subscript d, we have written y minus ty here. Okay, so we have y will be equal to 400 plus 0.25 times y minus the marginal tax rate is 0.2, because 20% is equal to 0.2. okay, so we have 400 plus 0.25. When we subtract 0.2 y from y, we are left with 0.8 y here. Okay, so total income will be equal to 400 plus 0.25 into 0.8 sums out to be 0.2 y. So y minus 0.25 y is equal to 400. That implies 0.8 y is equal to 400. 0.8 can be written as 8 upon 10 y, which is equal to 400 here, which implies y will be equal to, that is our equilibrium level of income will be equal to, so 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40, 5 10s are, 50 into 10 is 500. That means equilibrium level of income is equal to 500. Now since we have to find out the equilibrium level of consumption, we plug the value of y is equal to 500 into the given consumption function. Okay, so consumption function is 250 plus 0.25 y subscript d, and y subscript d is y minus ty, as we know it. So we have 250 plus 0.25 times y minus ty. So we have 250 plus 0.25 y minus 0.2. In place of t, we have 20% of y. That implies our consumption will be equal to 250 plus, rather 250 plus 0.25. When we subtract 0.2y from y, we are left with 0.8y. So consumption will be equal to 250 plus 0.2 times the equilibrium level of income that we calculated here. So plugging the value of y is equal to 500. So we have 250 plus 0.2 times 500, and this sums up to be 350. That is the equilibrium level of consumption in this question.